Hey everyone, welcome to Paramount Services. Today we're going to have a little tutorial on how to operate the site. Okay, here I am at the Paramount homepage. So first you'll go to My Account as a new vendor. Then you'll go to Register, I am a vendor. After inputting all this information from email address, password, first name, shop shop URL, you can put your company name, but you don't need anything else as of right this second to be registered other than your phone number. You put that in. You're going to go ahead and log in. After logging in, at first it's going to say you're ineligible to sell until we approve you. You just hit this little chat button here. Go to admin, send me a little message. And yeah, get you approved. So here, right here, this is your dashboard, vendor's dashboard. Add banner, gain 50% progress, as you see. It tracks your net sales, your earnings, your page views, and how many orders you produce. Then it breaks it down into orders from total, completed, pending, and so forth. Reviews, these are all your reviews. Total products, live, offline, pending, review. Then you have the latest announcements. You can post your announcements. And then you have a chart, sales for this month. Okay, the great thing about this is that what we offer that no other company does that's in my field is we have product section. So if you're a DJ, a cleaning company, a recording studio, and you sell beats, cleaning solutions, and records, you can do that all here. Other service companies, as in design, t-shirt designs, and you sell your own design as well, you can do that here. For whatever your service is, you can sell a product as well. That's what makes us, and it's going to rank us number one. Here you can track your orders, request quotes, give out coupons, create them, and mark delivery times for when the items, the products will be delivered. Also, your reports is all here on one page. Again, IRS purpose, we have everything here. Debit, credit card balances, everything. It's a balance sheet that you can print, give it to your tax prepper, and you're good. Here you can track all your reviews from approved to pending, spam, trash. Filter them all out. Badges go to the good selling vendors. Vendors with a great selling history get seller badges, and it also brings you to the front of the list. So if there is 10 DJs and you are the best seller because you always have your deals and every customer is reviewing you and rating you great, you will get badges and you will rank number one. So more people will see your page first, your online store first, I should say, before seeing anybody else's. Authentic. That's how they know. Here is your withdrawal section. That's when you set up all the banking information. As you see, you can do it when you're registering, or as I'm going to show you in a few, you can also do it after. It has to be more than $25 in your account. You can withdraw everything, but it has to be more than $25. Attach it right to your PayPal. And there's other methods, but PayPal is the one we're using for right now. It's better, it's safe. You can also monitor return requests. The great thing about this too is if you're a DJ and you have the sound guy, you have the person that carries the equipment, you can add that staff here and assign them specific jobs. It also allows your customer to see who is doing that job and rate them as well. Followers. Every store is going to have a follower. You can follow your stores. Every store is going to have a follower. It's just a social media vibe that I was looking for. That when you post your announcements, your coupons, everything is all hosted in one platform. So now if I have a coupon 10% going on for web development, and now everybody that's following me is going to know, it's automatic. And also when I have the email list, that's another way of marketing. Bookings. Here's going to be your service. You'll add a new booking product. You'll put the product name. Always click virtual. Accommodation booking is only for hotels, Airbnbs. You can post it all here. If you own a hotel, if you have an Airbnb, if you're renting out rooms, this is accommodation booking. That's because they're going to ask you a number of nights and booking and everything else. This is for car rentals and everything as such. Everything else will be virtual. You can categorize yourself. There will be more categories as time goes and progresses. You can upload your cover image. Let everyone know who you are and what you stand for. Here, this is more images. You can add more images to your gallery. You can make product tags. Booking duration. Months, days, hours, minutes. It's up to you how your business works. Everything works for you. You always enable calendar ranger picker and can be canceled if you want it to be able to be canceled. If not, then your service can be canceled. This is all up to you. As far as everything else as well, tax is already set to standard. If it's a reduced rate for somebody, that is. If it's a zero rate, you pick and choose. Max bookings per block. A block is your days, your hours. How many bookings can you get in an hour? If you're a DJ, you only can get one booking for a certain amount of hours, obviously. But now if you have a staff of construction workers and plumbers, then you can have as many bookings. I could do 5 bookings because I have 5 staff members that could do it, or 10 bookings because I have 10 staff members that can do it. That's up to you and your staff. This is everything else you set up. Cost, I leave it at 0. So when they book, we consult, and then I can invoice them a price. I'd rather do it this way because as a DJ, my prices might differ for 3 hours for a wedding of 150 people from 3 hours for a wedding of 15 people. It's equipment and lugging everything that I have to lug to do the job. So here you put that. This is where you put the display. The cost is displayed to the user on the front end. Leave blank to have it calculated for you. If a booking has varying costs, this will be prefixed with the word. So you can list that as well. This is if you have employees, have other resources. You can list everything once you do click it. Here, we need a short description of your business. Then we need a full, long description of your business. This is for if you have products. Again, if you have products. And you can advertise. You can advertise this product. Product needs to be published before you can advertise. Another great thing that we have, you can advertise your product or your service throughout the website and all other sources that are attached to this website, such as Instagram that we're attached to, Google, and Yelp. This will broadcast your service further than just us marketing. This is you adding on to marketing for your business, for your platform, for your online store here. This is great for people that already have an existing business, and this is even better for people that are coming up in the industry. This is to help everyone. This is why it's going to be so great. And you simply click Save Product. Any questions? Again, I'm here. We also have technical support if anything goes wrong. And as well, I want to make mention, as you see, one of our vendors is right here. All of you will be listed here, so everyone can click on the drop-down window and speak to who they would like to speak to at any time. Once booking the service. Analytics keeps track of everything. Announcements, as I mentioned, for you to be able to post your announcements once you're set up. And settings. You could do shipping if you have products. This is what you'll set up. This is all up to you again in your store. Payment. This is if you wanted to add different payment methods. We have way more payment methods than that. We accept Karina, where that's the great thing about it. So let me definitely explain that. Karina is also like a firm, is buy now, pay later. They can buy your service. And we set it up to being able to offer whatever the consumer can afford based on their salary. So if they're making good money, they can afford your service at any time, and that's what makes us perfect. Because now they can purchase your service. Your money is directed to you same day, same time, but they just have to pay over time to the credit lender. It's perfect. That means if they don't have the money now, they can still get the job done now. This is if you want to do verifications on everything. Verify that you're legit, and also get you badges. Connect your social media profile. The store SEO. For those who do not know what SEO is, that is search engine optimization. That puts you on top rankings of Yelp, Yahoo, Google, etc. This is something that not many of my competitors are offering, and this will put you at number one because your store will be searched. If you put in the keywords or pay someone to correct your store SEO, we also support that. We have a person to do that for you, and you will be number one ranked on Google. Can't say number one, but you'll be top ranked on Google, Yelp, Yahoo, etc. if you set it up right. Store. Here it is. Upload your banner. Upload a picture of you or somebody that's representing the face of your company. Store name, mobile number. If you have multiple location name, address, etc. Company, and all the information that will be needed. You can also go on vacation and let everyone know that you're on vacation as a vendor, that you will not be working from this time to this time, so everyone's holiday is supported. Add biography. Enable live chat. Once you put in your WhatsApp number, any customer can always chat with you. That's what I just was talking to you about a few minutes ago. It's always a get support button for the customers. It's always going to be that. You can change what it says, but it's always a support button. It doesn't have to say get support, but it can say what you want. It's always a support button. Here, and you click visit store. It's going to take you over here to visit your store. Again, here will be your banner, contact vendor, my name, my email address, my message. That's how I contact the vendor. As you can see, your name, your email address is already set up for me because I'm the one that's visiting the store. This vendor I know is in New York. So I'm from New York, so I need this vendor. Vendors that are from Philadelphia will list Philadelphia. Here it is. Follow, get support, share. People can do it. This is products, reviews, everything is there. You can enter a product name if it's so many products that you do list. Ratings is here. This is you. It will be linked to your social media, everywhere to contact you. And you will also pop up as my other vendor does that is set up on the system already. Right here as a follow. You're on the store list. And if you go to shop, web development from $20, meaning that it can range. You can have something as simple as $20. This is where everything will be listed as well. Then we have our cart, and this is how somebody will check out. If anything is needed, please contact me. I'm here to help. One more thing I think we might have to go through. This is your support button for all the vendors that need support. Here's your account information, and this is how to log out. This is your support button. Also, we have tools in case you need to import anything. And then we also have export. Again, any questions with anything about your vendor's dashboard, please feel free to contact me at any time of the day. Again, at any time of the day. Thank you for your time and hope you love it here at Paramount.